Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 15 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to factory reset your smartphone if you forgot screen lock. As you can see, this smartphone does have screen lock. Unfortunately, I forgot it. There is a way to unlock the smartphone if you forgot your screen lock, but keep in mind that this procedure will erase all data from your smartphone. In order to do it, firstly, let's reboot the smartphone, and now press and hold power button and volume up button to go to recovery mode. Release buttons once you see Mi logo, and now select wipe data. Confirm. Now the smartphone will be restored to factory defaults. Select back to main menu, reboot to system, and now we will have to set up the smartphone from the beginning. But the screen lock will be erased. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.